Well, Matt claims that he replaced the motor on this thing and threw in an uprated fan, but to me that sounds like the motor it came with when I bought it. And now I think the brush rolls. I think the belts snapped on it. He said he used a motor from a runabout, supposedly, but I think this is the same motor it had before. So maybe he just threw an upgraded fan, maybe placed the motor only. I don't know. But I mean, probably not the best caddy bag I've ever owned, but it still cleans pretty good, I guess. Let's see some nice carpet lines on the floor. What do you guys think? Do you guys think it sounds okay, or if you've seen the original video I posted last year, does it still sound like it did then? Let me know.